We are at the AmSkills Workforce Innovation Center in Pasco County, Florida.
AmSkills is something that most people only dream of.
This is a great facility that's been created to help people to be introduced to the careers in manufacturing, but also those who are just trying to increase their skills as well.
Ever used one of these before?
This isn't just a place to learn, this is really a place that changes people's lives.
It means that my polarity is incorrect, so I'm going to switch that.
I love the fact that we're able to help people learn new skills. Sometimes just giving them the opportunity to realize that they can do something that they never thought they could.
The manufacturing industry is having trouble recruiting. People don't know what the jobs are. They have negative perceptions, perhaps. What we are trying to do is to help open the eyes to these new careers that they don't even know exist. We do that by having at this facility career discovery workshops.
When they come in here, they're always in awe. They look around, there's robotics, there's the laser printer, and there's the electronics, and there's the CNC machines, and a lot of these things, many people have never even been around before.
We start primarily with our high school students. There's a lot of our high school students who have no idea what they want to do in life, so we use our Ignite program from Amatrol to help show them the different careers that are available to them, get them the skills that are needed, and then from there they can progress into additional programs that AmSkills have.
We work with 3 different high schools.
We launched our program 4 years ago with Anclote High School as our first high school, which is a Title I school.
This class is Advanced Manufacturing. It's a 4-year curriculum that basically teaches students how to be part of a manufacturing environment.
It's actually really great here. I chose to join because I think that it's a good career choice.
The teacher there, AmSkills was a part of helping to secure that person, but we also pay them as a part-time employee. This is a great opportunity because it helps solve the problem that the school systems have in being able to hire experienced instructors.
Where are all of our wires fitted?
They're using the Ignite program.
We collaborated with them for the Amatrol curriculum. The curriculum is essential because all the technical parts are worked out. As an educator, what I can do is I can take the Florida Department of Education standards and align them with the curriculum.
I think I might go to college, and I think that this would be a good choice of class to help me get into that.
We are about to expand into 2 more schools and have created a model that can be scalable across the state of Florida and perhaps other states as well.
It feels nice to make an impact at this level.
It gives them a sense of purpose, it gives them a sense of empowerment, and that is huge for young people today. And when you can come out with 4 years of experience over someone who just graduated, or even someone who just got out of college who's starting over, you have a 4-year advantage, and you've got certifications to back it up.
We're very excited about our partnership with Amatrol. A couple years ago, once you purchased the Amatrol equipment, and you would have to go to Indiana to their headquarters in order to learn how to train on it. And I got to go up and meet with Amatrol and basically convinced them that said, you know, people love coming to Florida. So we became the Amatrol's first regional training center. We have people now coming from all over the country flying in here to learn how to train and teach others how to use the Amatrol system.
AmSkills, I think, is one of the greatest things happening in this community.
The AmSkills mission is transforming lives and strengthening communities through workforce training and apprenticeships.
To see someone come here and to get that renewed hope to be able to reintegrate into the workforce in the manufacturing industry, it is empowering.
When they come in here, they get an idea that, wow, I can start over. I don't have to be doing a job that doesn't pay the bills or work 5 different jobs. I can find a career path that allows me to take care of my family and give me the life that I'd like to have again.
It means a tremendous amount by helping somebody truly transform their life and launch a career that they never even thought they could do.